Alright, so this bolt hole back here, it's hard to see. The one directly above the clutch linkage had this 12 millimeter headed bolt. Focus. Alright, all the bell housing bolts are out. The 2 starter bolts are out. The last bell housing fastener is a stud up there, as you can see. I finally got the nut off of it.
Oh, they're smart to put a stud in there. How cool is that?
Yeah.
It's like GTO quality there.
Yeah, I don't know why, but it's there. So anyway, before we have lunch, Wick and I feel frisky to pull this out.
Are we all disconnected here?
Yeah, everything's disconnected there.
Yeah, little baby clutch fork. Isn't that cute?
Yeah. We should maybe undo this drain plug and get this Earl out of here.
Yeah, probably isn't a bad idea.
Here, I'll pull this rubber out. There you go.
That's not hurting anything.
Yeah, that's out of our way though. Now it's a metal spike we can definitely crack our head on.
Probably good. Somebody could get that in a hand or top of the head or something.
Oh well. Alright, fluid's draining. Definitely smells yummy. Oop, Wick's making noise. Phone noise. Speedo cable's unhooked. Shifter linkages, I unhooked those. Clutch linkage is unhooked. Everything is unhooked that needs to be unhooked. Then we can deal with this nonsense, so we can send that off. That's cute, like you said earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's quality parking brake.
Probably why it didn't work too well.
Yeah, I don't think. Brake ain't gonna work when I can pull the friction material out by hand.
Got life in it.
Just get some super glue, man. It'll be fine. Oh God.
Look at like it hasn't really been working for a while because that looks like dirt. Got a nice crack in it there.
Deer tay.
I wonder what that ridge is from.
Not riding right.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, look, this thing's probably not supposed to be all gnarly like that, is it?
I wonder if we can pull that and maybe have Brian or somebody turn that.
Yeah.
Just a skosh, you know?
Yeah.
I mean,
it'd certainly be nice to have it cleaner than that.
yeah, that's for damn sure. All right, we're gonna pull this tranny out.
Let's put the plug back in there.
Oh, you don't want to get the fucking gear oil bath?
Not really.
I don't blame you. Good job, Wiki. Good lord.
It's nice, isn't it?
You better wash your hands extra before lunch, because your tacos are gonna taste like fucking gear oil sludge schmooey.
I used to have a rag in my pocket, but
You want this one?
sure. I don't know.
It's probably that one on the floor right there.
There's one of those red ones.
Oh, those things are worthless anyway.
It's good for oil and grease. Yeah, I don't think, I'm guessing this hasn't been off in a while.
Yeah.
I don't know, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's...
All right, well, that should be on there enough so that...
So we don't get a bath.
Maybe gets it running down the back, or you really don't want this shit in your hair.
Been there, done that.
Yeah, I mean, automatic transmission fluid's worse. But
Yep. I know those odors and flavors well.
yeah, automatic transmission fluid is like a minimum 45 shampoos to get out. And
Yeah.
even then, I think you gotta wear it out.
Ugh. All right. Trans is out. Wick and I bench press that thing. It don't weigh shit, but
No, but it was wedged the fuck in there.
it was in there, son of a bitch.
Somebody,
Ooh, creative.
somebody put brand new cotter pins in those old nasty bushings. What do you suppose that was all about?
That's called pretending to do actual work. Oh, that's the parking brake thing that fell on the floor. Wait. Ooh, adjustable pressure plate. I remember doing these. Paul and I had some fun with one of these on a Studebaker truck once.
Yeah.
What a bitch that was. I like how they're all the same bolt except this one.
Yeah, this one looks a little different.
No, it's like this one. These just have shit in them. Oh yeah, that one's
It's a little more concave.
more concave. Fancy wording, Wick.
Slightly different.
All right, well,
That's not bad. 3 different bolts in there.
yeah.
Oh, look, it's a top loader.
Not like a Ford though, but
There you go. How's that?
guess that flavor, Wick.
It's a combination.
Oh joy.
I think it's got some coolant and some
Some gear oil,
gear oil and some
motor oil.
motor oil and some.
Is there power steering fluid or brake fluid as a
Supposed to
bonus?
have that much input? I guess so.
Hey Justin, this is your problem.
Yeah.
You get to figure this shit out. Fun.
Yeah.
Well, shall we get this off so we can
Okay, you
send
want to
that
spin
cord?
it? So you gotta
What do we got to spin? It's right
just.
here.
Okay, we can get it off there because it looks like it's resting on that. That's the only thing.
Oh, I gotta undo these nuts first. Oh, it's a lot easier when the spring comes out, by the way.
Yep.
Okay.
Definitely.
And there's our parking brake friction material chingiadaria. Severely worn, delaminated on one side, pieces missing on the other. That's high quality. So, and there's our, yeah, that definitely needs to be at least turned or polished. Then we can pull these babies off here in a little bit. It's our next step.